But I'm here at IKEA. I've decided I am going to get one of those couch units. Now comes the fun part, getting it all in. And from my measurements, it should just about fit, but I need to put that coat on that thing down there so it doesn't get scratched. Well, actually that should shut. And it's like a glove. Let's go on. I'm so weak. Okay, right, so I don't know if everything I need is in the box, but it said on the internet that it was. So these are my middles. They're on the actual shelves. The armour bottom and on the top, depending on which way around I want to do. That's out, actually. In that case, because these are like the middle dividers. And obviously, that's here on my top and the bottom. Why has it not got? Oh, I think it's doing that right seals. Of course, it's going to have the ends on, isn't it? God, I forgot how cheap and flimsy these things actually, especially for like 50 quid. Right, so I should have what I have. I'm going to need I'm going to need a pencil for. So I should have 8 long screws, 4 short screws, 22 dowels, things for attaching it to the wall, which I'm not going to be using. I really ain't. I like organising my stuff. So I put all the dowel bits there. Screws, which I should have 8, so that's 5, 6, 8. For little screws, I think they're for if I want to mount to the wall, which I don't want to do. The little holder, Allen key, and whatever this thing is. I don't know what this thing is. So I need a side and one of my bottom pieces. So let's just move you over there. black thing is a handle for the Allen key. How cool. The question is do I go from that side or do I go from... I'm going to presume, actually no, because your screw things will sit flush in that, won't they? I'm going to presume I probably don't have do I need to put? But for somebody who's not very handy, I'd say I've done a pretty good job at that. And don't get me wrong, it's a little bit unstable, but cheap MDF, what do you expect? I'm actually shocked I managed to do that myself, because I've never been all that handy, really. But I've done it like it went out, and I'm surprised. I mean, I'm sweating, but that's just because I'm fat, so yeah. Now it's time to sort out all of this crap. It balls apart. Right, okay, so now all that's left to do is screw it into place. But somebody's decided to pull all the stuff that's wired into the thing, and that's going to make it a little bit awkward. You know what's really funny is last time I was saying the TV's actually way too high. I actually think if I went any lower with this unit, it'd look fucking really silly, because the PlayStation is higher than the bottom and the lamp is higher than the bottom. So actually, I think it's in the perfect place. Anyway, that is where I'm going to end this video. I now have a sofa, but because I'm in the middle of filming a video for this, there's a bit of a tip. But that is where I'm going to end this video. If you did enjoy, be sure to leave a like, and if you want to see more from me, be sure to subscribe. So yes, I've been Ben, and I'll see you in the next vlog.